Welcome to InvestoSphere, where we unlock powerful financial strategies to help you grow your income, gain financial freedom, and build a sustainable future. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting and rewarding concepts in the world of online income: digital products that generate money while you sleep. Imagine waking up every morning to find that you've made money overnight. No clocking in, no physical inventory, no customer meetings, just pure passive income. That dream is possible, and digital products are the gateway. In this video, we'll explore what digital products are, why they're so powerful, and how you can create and sell them successfully. Whether you're a complete beginner or already exploring online business, this guide will give you everything you need to start generating revenue 24/7. So grab your notebook and stay with me until the very end, because we're about to transform the way you think about income. Number 1, understanding digital products. Digital products are intangible goods that are delivered electronically. No shipping, no packaging, and no physical inventory. This includes things like eBooks, online courses, printables, templates, digital art, software, stock photos, audiobooks. These products require upfront work to create, but once completed, they can be sold repeatedly with minimal ongoing effort. This is what makes them such an attractive source of passive income. The real value lies in automation. You create it once, then automate the delivery, marketing, and payment process. Whether you're asleep or on vacation, your store keeps working. Number 2, why digital products are perfect for passive income. Digital products are uniquely suited for passive income because low overhead, no need for inventory, shipping, or storage. Global reach, sell to anyone, anywhere, at any time. Scalability, sell 1 or 1,000 copies with no extra cost. Automation, set up automated delivery and payment systems. Evergreen appeal, once created, digital products can be sold for years. Many people underestimate how easy it is to start. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to solve a problem or offer value. Number 3, eBooks, one of the easiest starters. If you have knowledge in a particular field or even a personal story, you can turn it into an ebook. Self-publishing platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Gumroad, and Payhip make it easy to upload and sell your ebook. Focus on niches that are in demand, such as personal development, finance, fitness, parenting, education. With AI writing tools, you can outline your ebook, write, edit, format, and publish it faster than ever before. But never compromise on quality. Always offer real, actionable value. Number 4, online courses teach what you know. Courses are one of the most profitable digital products. If you're good at something, graphic design, writing, budgeting, photography, you can turn your knowledge into a course. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, Udemy, Gumroad allow you to build courses with videos, PDFs, quizzes, and more. The key is to solve a specific problem. Make your course clear, structured, and result-driven. Number 5, printables and planners. High demand, low competition. Printables are downloadable files people can print at home. These include budget planners, meal plans, wedding checklists, goal trackers, kids' activity sheets. They're simple to create using free tools like Canva, and you can sell them on Etsy, Shopify, or your own Gumroad store. With proper SEO and smart packaging, you can turn them into a recurring income stream. Number 6, digital templates, time savers people are willing to buy. Templates help people save time. Whether it's resume templates, Instagram post templates, business pitch decks, email marketing templates, these are extremely useful for busy professionals. You can create these using PowerPoint, Canva, or Google Docs, and sell them with commercial licenses. Number 7, stock photography and graphics, great for creatives. If you're a photographer or digital artist, this is for you. Upload your work to Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Creative Market, Etsy. Every download or license earns you money. It's passive, especially if your images rank well on search and meet market demand. Number 8, software and mobile apps. Higher skill, higher rewards. If you have programming skills, or can work with developers, building a software tool, plugin, or mobile app can bring in long-term profits. SaaS products are among the most scalable and profitable forms of digital products. Even a simple calculator tool or content planner can sell if it solves a real need. Number 9, audiobooks and podcasts. Turn your content into audio. Audiobooks can be sold on Audible, iTunes, or through your site. Podcasts, once monetized through sponsors or subscriptions, can earn even while you sleep. This is great for people who prefer speaking over writing. You can repurpose your blog posts or ebook into audio content. Number 10, how to market and sell your digital products. Creating a product is only half the job. Selling it is the other half. Here's how you can make sales on autopilot. Email marketing, build a list and send automated sequences. Content marketing, write blog posts or create YouTube videos around your product's niche. Social media, use Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok to showcase your product. SEO, optimize your product titles, descriptions, and blog content for search. Affiliate marketing, let others promote your products for a commission. Once your systems are in place, it becomes automated. Number 11, choosing the right platform. Each platform has its own strengths. Some great options include Gumroad, great for simplicity and digital sales. Shopify, best if you want a full store experience. Etsy, best for printables, templates, and creative items. Podia, great for selling bundles and memberships. Teachable, best for courses. Start with one and scale as you grow. Scaling your business. Once your first product starts selling, the goal is to build an ecosystem. Upsell with bundles. Offer limited time discounts. Add new products regularly. Collect customer feedback and improve. Collaborate with creators. You can also hire virtual assistants to handle customer service or marketing, making your business even more passive. So there you have it. Digital products are the ultimate vehicle for passive income. From ebooks and courses to templates and apps, you can start small and grow big. All you need is a good idea, some dedication, and a system to automate and scale. If you're serious about creating financial freedom for yourself, this is the path. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start today, even if it's just for searching your first digital product idea. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to InvestoSphere, and leave a comment sharing which digital product you're most excited to create. Your support helps us reach more people and continue sharing free, valuable content. Now before we go, let me ask you this. If you could only create one digital product to sell for the rest of your life, what would it be and why? Let's start that conversation in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.